Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jeanne. I'm a yoga teacher, and today I'm going to take you through a moon salutation. I did one a couple of years ago, a video about it. I'd like to suggest a few variations. So you can always check out the original video where I talk about also the influence of the moon on people, etc. But yeah, here is just for a bit of a refreshing variation. So this is a flow. You may need a block at some point. Otherwise, we start with the legs together. Try to keep your big toes together, heels slightly apart, and your knees are not touching exactly, but your inner thighs are pressing against each other. So you feel the legs are engaged, and on the inhale, you come up with your arms, and you come up on the toes, and you try not to bring the ankles to the sides. You try to keep them together. This is very tough. Grow tall, even taller. Try to bring your arms higher as if you were tickling the ceiling. And on the exhale, you come to a goddess pose. So this is a bit easier than what I showed you before. We're just going to lift one heel and down, the other heel and down. Fingers active. Keep going. Shoulders away from your ears and elbows away from the shoulders. Yes. Very good. Now the toes. Very good. And we come back. We breathe. We turn to that side of the mat. Hips and shoulders facing forward. Interlace your fingers behind. Inhale, open up. And exhale, come down with your hands up towards the ceiling. Keep both your legs straight. Yes, it's pulling behind the front leg. For me as well, don't worry. Keep pressing with the toes on the floor. Very good. And slowly come back. Hands on the hips. And back up. We move into a warrior two. For warrior two, we're going to do extended side angle. So left hand inside the foot and right arm above. And we keep the hips down. So we make a nice line from the outer right heel, outer right foot, to the top of the right hand. And we smile, of course. Good. You feel a stretch in the right side of your body. We come back and we twist the back foot. We're going to place the right knee down and extend the left leg. Left foot up. It's a half twist, right? So the more your arms are forward, the harder it gets. Like this, it's easier. Try to keep your back straight. We're going to do also with the foot on the floor. It's going to stretch the forward part of the leg, and it's unusual stretch that feels really good when we walk a bit too much. Okay, and then from there we twist. This we're not going to change too much. The easier version for that is to come up quite high, but if it's good for you to be like this, stay low. Okay, this is for the adductors, so feel it and try to let go of the weight on your hands. And the more you're going to feel comfortable, the more you're going to be able to place your hands like this in front of your chest. And both hands are inside the legs. I often see this. So back there, toes up, and we come back on the other side. We practice the same. So half split, and right foot flex this time. Breathe. Yeah, it's again for the right hamstrings. And then foot flex, foot pointed, sorry. Breathe. Very good. We come back on the back foot, hands forward, and warrior two, and extended side angle. Stretch, breathe, good. And from there, we come into pyramid, feet closer, hips and shoulders facing forward, interlace the unusual way. So usually do like this. Imagine you do the other thumb first, and the rest of the fingers follow. Inhale, open up the chest, lengthen your arms behind, arch the back if needed, and you come down and you send the hands up to the ceiling. It's a bit too cold where I am, so my hands are slipping. And slowly come back, hands on the hips, sliding on the, and you come back. So now we do goddess, and from there we're going to do again heels, and we try 2 at a time. Not the whole time, but you get the idea, right? And then for the toes, you can do either the toes or the whole front of the foot. And if we do front of the foot, we do like this Greek dance, right? Well, they do like this, but or the Russians, I'm not sure. Okay, feel good? Come back, feet parallel, you can jump back in, inhale up, heels together and ankles together, and come back down. Good. Okay, now we're gonna do another one. So the idea is we start like this, up, goddess, and then we keep switching hips forward, hips parallel, hips forward, hips parallel, and we go to the other side, right? So I'm just suggesting different variations, but up to you to create even your own moon salutation. Okay, so inhale up, and exhale, goddess. But from goddess, we're gonna do a forward fold. Forward fold is better to keep your feet parallel to protect your knees. And you can do the top of the head on the floor, like this, bringing the hands back. Or forward to stretch the back. Up to you. Okay, slowly come back. Here we're gonna do from pyramid, inhale, strengthen, lengthen, and the right hand comes onto the block or the floor if you can, and twist left arm up. Good. Open the left shoulder. Keep pressing the toes in the mat. And slowly come back. Then place the back foot even more back. Warrior two. And here we do reverse warrior two. Good. Lengthen the left side of your body. And we come into high lunge or warrior one if you're comfortable. Inhale up. Balance and twist. Inhale up and twist. Very good. Inhale up and come down. Well, here I don't have any variations. If you want to do just one, you can do. And then we come back and we do the same we did on the other side, which is twist. So inhale up. You can bend both knees. Try to place the tailbone down and twist left or right. It doesn't matter. We do both. Inhale up. And the other side. Inhale up. Warrior two. And from there, reverse. And into pyramid. Maybe you need to take the block with you. So the hand should be at the level of your front foot, right? And you open the right arm, fingers are active. You open up the right shoulder and you keep pressing both your feet in the floor in the same way. And come back down, come back up, both legs straight, feet parallel. Now from this position, forward fold, and we're gonna grab the right ankle and we're gonna bend the elbows so the elbows are pointing back, and we try to bring the forehead to the knee. And slowly go to the other side, breathe. Very good. Slowly come back to the center, hands on the hips, come up, come back, and inhale up, ankles together, higher, higher, higher. Look, I'm even out of the frame, maybe just because I'm closer than I was at the beginning. But look, I grew taller. It's amazing. I love yoga. And come back to the initial position. Okay, so here is just a few variations. Of course, feel free to elaborate and do your own. Select the ones you like from my videos. And don't forget to practice by yourself and to be mindful of your body. This is the key to a happier life, I guess. Cheers. Have a great day.